What's up YouTube? Welcome to this video tutorial in which I'll be showing you about image resizing in Java. And the cool thing is that you are not going to use any third-party software for resizing an image. You can directly resize the image in your code. You can then save it in your database and you can retrieve it again. So that is cool. Okay. And what makes this awesome is we are not going to use the old school 2D graphic class at all. Nice, isn't it? So let's have a look at the frame or form that I have already made. It has a J label and with a border to differentiate it from the frame. So if you are not giving it any border, it just get lost somewhere. So it is a J label. I have named it as image, and 3 buttons for selecting the image, saving the image in the database, and then displaying or retrieving it back in the J label. We are using J label because the data stored in the database, that is the image stored in the database, is in binary format. And this is a Java class with a method that creates the connection with the database. So make sure you have one such class. And at the back end we are using SQLite. So I'll start with creating a table for storing the image, and I'll name it as images, and one single column named image with the data type as blob, that is binary large object. Okay. So the table is quite simple and it has a default row ID that we will use for selecting the image for displaying. You will get a clear idea about this as we go through it. So for the next tutorial, just prepare yourself and make sure that you have created these 3 objects, that is connection, result set, and prepared statement in your form, and with the connection with your particular class for which you have your connectors or for name class used. So just be prepared with this, and we'll start with coding for the selection button in the next tutorial, and I'll provide you with the APIs that we'll be using. So thanks for watching. Keep coding, stay tuned.